Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix all Windows Media Player errors in Windows 11. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, gotta find your start menu, right click on it, and then just go ahead over to settings. Wait a bit, and then go to the top left, click on system, just like so. You gotta scroll all the way down until we find optional features. Okay, click on it. Now click on view features. Just like so, and that will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. Now in here we are going to find a feature called Windows Media Player Legacy App. Just type down Windows right here, you'll be able to see it. Just tick on it, click on remove. Now just wait for it to be completely removed, and then once that's done, it will say here removed. So just close this one. Now go to restart computer first, restart, and then once your computer boots up, we are going to re-add it. So again, go ahead and go back to start menu, click on settings, and then in here find a system, and scroll all the way down, find optional features, view features, click on yes, find Windows again, wait a bit, and as you can see here, it's not available. So go ahead and click on see available features at the very top and just type it down again. Windows Media Player Legacy App, click on the checkbox and click on add and just wait for it. Okay, and once it's added, again, do not forget to restart your computer. Okay, it will take some time right here, so just patiently wait. And again, once it's done adding, just restart your computer, and after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix all Windows Media Player errors in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.